Okay, today we're talking about economizers and barometric dampers in HVAC. So here's a real-world example of an economizer. That's what this angled box is. The economizer takes in air through this mesh screen right here on the return side. The filter's removed. You can see these flaps right here, these louvers. When they're open like this, you're bringing up return air from the building through the filter, through the evaporator coil, and then down through the supply. When they're closed and this opens, if we look here, you can see you're bringing in outside air, what they call free cooling. That helps the compressor and the condenser cooling fan not run as often, so you save energy, you save money. And then this box right here is the electronic actuator, little electric motor. There's your wiring harness that connects to a controller that controls that economizer opening and closing depending on the humidity level and temperature outside. Whereas a barometric relief is this here, usually bolts to the side of the packaged unit at the return side, and it has a mesh screen to keep out birds and leaves and bugs. And this opens under pressure. So if the pressure coming through the return from the building is too great, it's going to push open those flaps and relieve that pressure, and then the flaps will automatically close when the pressure in the building drops down and is equalized. And the reason for this is, remember, the economizer is bringing in air from outside, pushing it into the building. So if you don't have that barometric damper, that relief, then what happens, you're pressurizing the building. That's where doors won't close. You have those kind of problems. So if you install one of these barometric relief dampers, it'll relieve that excess air pressure when the economizer is bringing in fresh air from outside. And you'll note there's no moving parts, no motor, no controller. It's simply controlled or opens when the indoor air pressure inside the building gets a little bit too positive. Those little flaps will open, and then as the air pressure inside the building equalizes, those flaps will close. So you'll see this when the economizer is open and bringing in fresh air from outside. When the economizer is closed and you're just recirculating air from inside, that barometric relief damper will usually be closed. Unless there's some other source that's bringing in air to the building, like a fresh air makeup unit, for example. So again, if that indoor air pressure starts to increase, that barometric relief damper will open until the indoor air pressure decreases or equalizes. I want to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook right quick. It's available in paperback and ebook format. It comes with common facilities documents, signage, tags, as well as training and resource material, and common shop equipment drawings in the back of the book that you can use to fabricate shop equipment for your facility. The link for this book is in the video description below. And if you need shirts, hats, mugs, or weather-resistant stickers for your facility, there is a link in the video description below where you can procure these products on this facility's website. I hope you find this helpful. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.